I already told you about the question number is 6 in the tutorial. So here we have hole and shaft assembly. So the tolerance values given here. Basic size directly you can write as 50 millimeter. Shaft tolerance and hole tolerance. We have to find maximum size of the hole. Similarly, minimum size of the hole, maximum size of the shaft. Then we have to find a minimum size of the shaft. So maximum of the hole 50.03. Minimum hole 50. Do you know how I got it? 50 plus 0.03, 50.03. Minimum 50. Maximum shaft 50 minus 0. So maximum is 0.000. So 50 is the maximum. Minimum shaft is 50 minus 0.006. So how much is 50 minus 0.006?
For 9.994.
4 millimeter, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So I have all these values, correct? Now we need to find the tolerance. So these are hole values. So hole tolerance, I can find hole tolerance equal to maximum hole minus minimum hole. Maximum is 50.03 minus minimum is 50. So 0.03 mm is the answer. Very simple. Similarly here, shaft tolerance. How to find shaft tolerance? Equal to 50 minus 49.994 equal to
0.006.
So why it is suddenly getting stopped?
I don't know, doctor.
Doctor.
Can you see something now?
No,
No.
doctor.
Even I cannot also see what is happening. Okay, keep. Okay, now yes, again I have written here the values. Yes, how much is the value? 0. Yes, 0.006.
006.
006.
Millimeter. So we have the values here, shaft tolerance and hole tolerance. This is second part of the question. We finished 1 and 2. What is 3? Maximum clearance. Let me write the equation for maximum clearance. So maximum clearance and minimum clearance. I will write both equations now. So maximum clearance means maximum hole minus minimum shaft. So maximum hole I calculated 50.03. Minimum shaft is 49.994. I got maximum clearance. Minimum clearance is, okay, minimum clearance is minimum hole minus maximum shaft. Minimum hole is 50 and maximum shaft is 50. So minimum clearance is going to be 0. And here how much?
0.09.
0.09 millimeter. Yes. So since 1 we are getting 0 and the other positive, we could say that this is a clearance fit. Okay. Nothing gone to negative side. Hence we can say it is a clearance fit. Clear? So we calculated all this. This
Yes,
equation
doctor.
need to be applied directly.
Doctor, always take millimeter.
Always take millimeter.
Okay.
Given as per the question. Okay.
Okay.
So this is about this question and the remaining I will explain. So the next question we are going to solve. So we finished this question. Next question, I just want to solve this. Okay. So design, I think these questions you can solve. Maybe I will solve this and come back to the other one very quickly. This is our tutorial. Okay, the question is given here. Read it. A 50 millimeter shaft is made to rotate in a bush. Tolerance for shaft and bushes are given. Determine the dimensions. Look at that, this question. So the 50 millimeter diameter. So the basic size is given. Basic size is given as 50 millimeter. Tolerance given. Tolerance for what? Tolerance for shaft and bush both are given as 0.05 millimeter. So determine the dimension of the shaft and bush to give a maximum clearance of 0.075 millimeter. So maximum clearance is given. Maximum clearance. What is the maximum clearance? Maximum clearance is 0.075 millimeter. With the whole basis system, this is very important. You need to see this. This is very important. Why? Because your one of the answer is from here. Whole basis means in a whole based system, basis system, minimum hole, minimum dimension of the hole equal to basic size. What is the basic size here? 50 millimeter. That 50 millimeter will be equal to minimum size of the hole in a hole based system. Clear? Then I can proceed. I just explained the question only. If it is clear, I can proceed.
Clear,
Yes,
doctor.
doctor. Yes, clear.
So now, yes. Now this is all about the question. Now here, if you see the next one, what we have to calculate? Dimensions of the shaft. Bush means hole. Bush is the hole. Shaft and hole dimensions. Maximum clearance given. What is maximum clearance? Maximum clearance means 0.075. Yeah, which is equal to maximum hole minus. So this has to be minimum clearance. You cannot. This question has a minimum clearance. So the question has to be changed. I will change it and submit it. Minimum clearance is maximum clearance. If it comes, you cannot calculate it. Minimum clearance equal to 0.075, which is equal to maximum hole. Sorry, minimum hole minus maximum shaft. Minimum hole. So minimum hole is the basic size is 50 and maximum shaft we can calculate from here. So what is the maximum shaft from here? Maximum shaft is equal to 50 minus 0.075. This is the maximum shaft. So minimum clearance, the question is wrong here. There is a small change. Minimum clearance. Minimum clearance is minimum hole minus maximum shaft. Maximum shaft we can get it from here. How you get maximum shaft? Maximum shaft is 50 minus 0.075. How much?
49.925.
No,
4,
doctor.
yes?
9.
4, yes?
0.925.
Millimeter. That's it. So you have now it is very easy. Now look at this. What is minimum hole?
Doctor, it's come to me. Okay.
Yeah, depending on the
Doctor.
question. Minimum hole is 50, correct? What is
Doctor,
maximum?
Doctor, how 49? It's 50 minus 50 minus 0.05.
0.75.
0.75. Yes, it will be 0.075, I think.
50, let me see, minus 0.075, 49.925. This is correct.
Yes, Doctor,
0.075.
correct.
Yeah, maximum hole is 50 plus tolerance. You have the tolerance given. What is the tolerance? 50 plus. What is the tolerance? 0.05, correct? So 50.05 is the maximum hole. So minimum shaft, what is the minimum shaft? You don't know. Minimum shaft is maximum shaft minus a tolerance. What is the maximum shaft? You calculated 49.92 minus tolerance 0.05. How much?
For 9.875.
875.
875 million. That's it. We got it all. Maximum shaft already there. So it is very simple. From here, from this equation, minimum clearance is equal to minimum hole minus maximum shaft. We get a minimum hole is 50 because basic size. Maximum shaft, we get it. If you have maximum shaft and minimum hole, just add or subtract the tolerance. You know, a maximum hole is minimum hole plus tolerance. Similarly, maximum shaft is minimum shaft plus tolerance. Depending on that, we get the values.
Doctor, no, look what I mean. You write minimum clearance, right? Equal
Yeah.
minimum hole minus maximum shaft, right?
Yes.
Minimum hole, how much? 50, right?
Yes.
Okay, minus maximum shaft, how much?
Maximum shaft, we don't know. We need to get it. That's why I got it from here. Maximum shaft equal to 50 minus 0.075.
Okay, so minimum clearance, how much it will be?
So I have given the value here 0.075.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
this is the thing I explained to you. Now I just want you to do the same equation, same question. Control C. Same question with this. Can you solve it? Now I am giving you maximum clearance. I solved it with the minimum clearance before, right?
Doctor, it cannot be maximum.
So I gave it with the minimum clearance, right?
Yes.
Now, can you do it with the maximum clearance? Same question with the minimum I did. Can we solve it with the maximum? Let us try. Can you do it? Maybe 5-10 minutes I can give you. Can you try to solve it?
Okay.
Simple equations. Take 10 minutes and try to solve it. Maximum clearance, take it as 0.075. All try to solve it and give me an answer. Shall I explain? Or you are
Doctor,
doing?
Come
You are doing.
0.125.
Which one? Yeah, this is the tolerance given.
The maximum clearance, it will be equal 0.125.
No, it is given 0.075. See the question 0.075. Use this and try to solve it. Before we used minimum, now we are using maximum.
Doctor,
Yes,
max shaft will be 50.025.
50.025. Okay. So the answers I'm writing here, we'll check it. 50.025. Okay. Minimum. This is shaft.
Minimum 49.975.
49.975. Okay. Hole.
Yes. Correct.
Yes.
Still for the hole.
Yeah. Hole, the minimum has to be 50. Maximum hole.
50.05.
50.0. We'll check it. So first step, I will write the value. So our basic size is equal to 50 millimeter. That is right. Maximum, that means minimum hole is going to be 50, no doubt. So maximum clearance. What is maximum clearance? Maximum clearance means maximum hole minus minimum shaft. So here maximum clearance. What is the maximum? 0.075 equal to maximum hole is minimum hole plus 0.05. Why I am taking like this? Because the tolerance is given. That's why minimum plus minimum hole plus tolerance is maximum hole minus minimum shaft. So from this minimum shaft equal to 50.05 minus 0.075.
0.075.
Yes, how much?
49.7. 49.975.
975.
5.
So this is the answer here for minimum shaft. Maximum shaft, how to get maximum shaft?
Tolerance equal maximum shaft.
Yeah,
minus
49.975 plus tolerance, correct? Just add tolerance with that. So you get 50.025 maximum shaft. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
doctor.
doctor.
Yeah, it is very simple. Maximum shaft is minimum shaft plus tolerance. So this is plus tolerance. Hole already we know basic size, and maximum hole plus how you get maximum hole. I have explained here. Maximum hole is here. Minimum hole plus tolerance maximum hole. So maximum hole is minimum hole plus tolerance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, doctor.
So this is all about this is all about today's class. So we will continue tomorrow with the remaining questions. We will comfortably finish it because we have a lot of time to finish module 3.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, thank you very much for
Thank you.
attending.